Best Hair. Thank you all so much for joining me today. First off, I want to let you know that I am wearing Heidi VersaFiber in Sun-Kissed Rooted. She was in my unboxing wig haul video. I will include that link over here. I just want to let you know that this VersaFiber Heidi will be in a future color comparison video with 2 other VersaFiber colors. So stay tuned for that. And I am beyond excited, you guys, because I am doing another collab with my friend Tia Maria. I want you to check out her YouTube channel. She has over 1,000 videos. If you check out Tia's playlist, she has a wig styling playlist, and she just has tons of beautiful styles. She is a wig slayer, you guys. And you can also find Tia on Instagram. She is Tia Maria Wig Coach over on Instagram. I just love her, and I know that you guys will too. So Tia and I talked, and we decided that it would be super fun to do a wedding styling tutorial on wigs. We want to give you guys some inspiration for the summer with wedding season upon us, whether you're a bridesmaid, whether you're the mother of the bride, or maybe you're the bride herself. This will give you some ideas for wearing a wig at your wedding, or if you don't wear wigs, maybe this will just give you ideas on styling your own hair. So I hope that you tune in, and I hope that you guys are inspired by this. So Tia and I each will be styling 3 wigs. I chose the 3 long VersaFiber wigs. I have a video over here if you want to check that out. Now these wigs come pre-styled in an updo, but I took those out for my review video. So now I'm putting them back in updos and showing you how easy it can be and how beautiful it can be to put your wigs in an updo. I will include timestamps down below so that you guys can jump to those. So I want you guys to gain some inspiration, and let's get started. Let's start with the bridesmaid using the low braided pony in golden bronze. I've divided the hair up into sections, starting with a low ponytail that I will flip through itself. Now I'll just twist those sides and work on deconstructing that twist a little bit. And we'll wrap around the pony. I'll do the same thing on the other side. For the top section, I will twist the hair down and go around the base of the ponytail and deconstruct that twist, secure with bobby pins, and I'm just spritzing with a little wig wax spray for extra hold. Use your round brush to enhance the curls of the style, and add some flowers if you like. This is a really easy and casual bridesmaid style. I hope that you guys like this one. Now we're on to the mother of the bride style. This is the double braid updo wig. The color is sandy blonde melt. And I'll start with a twist on the top, secure with a bobby pin, and I'll start twisting the sides over, secure with a bobby pin. Again, a little more wig wax spray. Deconstruct your twists. I want everything to look loose and romantic. Just a nice casual effect. Then I'm going to add one of those little pony buns. You can buy those at the Dollar Tree, Walmart. You'll put the hair around that, and then just using a little elastic pony to hold that bun. Leave some of the hair out. The rest on the bottom I will twist, deconstruct the twist, and wrap around that bun. Now secure everything with bobby pins as needed.
And you should know that I just wear a velvet wig grip under this and just put this pre-styled wig on just like you would any normal wig. You can always add extra bobby pins once it's on your head if you feel like you need extra security. I just love this. Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty romantic style. I love just sort of the relaxed look of deconstructing those twists. You can also curl the sides. This is a heat-safe wig. I did wear this to work yesterday and I curled those little tendrils on the side. Lots of compliments. So for our bridal braid, I am using Twisted Back Pony in the color Rosewood. I just want to make a nice, loose, romantic bridal braid, starting with the twists on the side and deconstructing those twists. Now I'll bring those both together and secure it with an elastic. Now I'll start adding to the twist by taking a little bit on the side, twisting around, wrap it over that ponytail, and secure with a bobby pin. I'll do the same on the other side. Again, I just want everything to be loose, flowy, romantic. I'm going for Disney princess here. Now I'm gathering the hair into little ponytails here, and then I will flip them through themselves and deconstruct. So my goal is to bring this all over to the right side so I can have the braid hanging down on the right side. So this is just totally random. Now you can do this however you want. If you prefer to have the looseness and the braid down the center of the back, you can do that. I just wanted more of a side swept look. So I'm just going to keep doing the little random ponytails, kind of naturally pulling everything over to the right side. You know, just have fun, just get creative. Watch tutorial videos on YouTube. They are very helpful. I think I saw something similar to this on Sweetheart's Hair. I think that was the name of her channel. And she does all these beautiful braids in different styles. So that was my inspiration for this. So as you're going along, determine how much of a tail you want showing at the end. I wanted to do more braids going down and just have a small tail at the end. So just keep deconstructing along the way, and when you get finally to the very end, you'll grab all of those together and secure with another binder. Using a little wig wax, make sure everything stays in place and tug it until you get the style that you like, until you have your desired look. And we'll add some flowers because this is for the bride, of course. We want her to be gorgeous. So I did curl the little tendrils on the sides. I did trim those few hairs as well to frame the face. I just love this romantic look. It's very Renaissance to me, and I love that Renaissance look. So romantic. I think any bride would just love to wear this style. You guys tell me what you think. I love it. I don't think I should wear it to work though. Maybe just a little too dressy for work. Roxy, my kitty Roxy says hi.
All right, so what did you all think about those styles for wedding season? I was really happy with how they turned out. I don't normally do these styling videos, or I don't have the right camera setup for styling videos, so I know it may be hard to see, but hopefully it inspired all of you to get creative with your wigs. Don't feel like because it's a wig that you can't do anything with it, because let me tell you what, you can. You can, and you're gonna feel more confident, you will feel more comfortable, you will feel beautiful. It is so much fun. And I hope that you all enjoy Tia's styles. Don't forget, I will link her video here. And don't forget to check out Tia's channel and also her Instagram. And don't forget that I'm also on Instagram, Beth's Best Hair, of course. So thank you all for joining me, and my subscribers, I truly love you from the bottom of my heart. If you are new here, if you are one of Tia's subscribers, if you're one of her doll babies, are you my doll baby? Isn't that what Tia always says? I'm one of her doll babies too. So I'm glad that you could join me, and I hope that you enjoyed my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the styles. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and press that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. All of the information is always in the description box. Just expand that description box if you want to click any links to check everything out a little bit further. I hope you got some inspiration from my video and from Tia's video, because this was so much fun. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
I want to introduce you to our newest family member. This is Peter. Peter Chris, of course. Isn't he just a cutie? He's a little half-brother to Roxy. Our neighbors up the road had these kitties. We had to get them. Just look at them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now let's go check out Tia's video.